A new place, a new home. For a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself.
Hi, this is Pam from Bamagirl Cruise and Travel Addict. I am on board the Carnival Horizon and my room has just opened, and I wanted to give you a little room tour of cabin 11223. This is a spa interior, so let's take a look. The room is set up in a king-size formation. And one thing you need to know is this requires a key card to keep the lights and I believe the air conditioning working. So make sure you put something in there. This room only has the 2 closets. Let's take a look. You have the hanging space. Those are my carry-ons I brought up earlier. This has a mirror, and then this other side has 2 shelves, the push button coated safe, another shelf, and then 3 drawers. So you have a good bit of storage space there. And then over here you have your little vanity area. There's the stool, garbage can, and then the vanity actually lights up. Your telephone, 2 standard USBs, and then 2 normal plugs along with this. I guess that's a European plug. You would need an adapter to use that. And in the drawer you find the hair dryer and a little bit of storage space, not much. There are no USBs beside the bed. You do have these lamps and little nightstands on each side. And then you have the main light control switch over the bed. So if you want to turn that out, turn the lights off after you go to bed, you could do that. Over here, this is your little bar area. And it has the ice bucket, your glasses, and these are the waters that they provide in the room. These are $4.75 each plus an 18% gratuity. If you are entitled to your free water, then you will need to go to a bar to pick that up, and all of the redemption information is on this QR directory for various things on the ship, including spa menu, allergies, that sort of thing. Down below you have the small cooler box in this cabinet, and this one feels a little cooler than normal, but it's really not as cold as your fridge at home. So a tip is to leave this door open. This will keep your fridge a little bit cooler on the inside. Then there's 2 Serenity towels, and there's some notices. The fun times are now being printed. There's a notice about kids running the halls, smoking, that sort of thing, safety information, and just some good to know things and things about going to ashore. And that's about it for the inside. Let's take a look at the restroom. One advantage to being in a spa cabin is they have the upgraded Elemis spa bath gel, and this says conditioning shampoo. And I haven't used the Elemis products, so I'm not sure if I like those or not, but if I don't, that's okay. I brought my own. And also the Elemis soap. And then the restroom has just the small little sink area, 3 shelves on each side of the sink, a small shaving mirror, towels, washcloths, hand towels, tissue paper, toilet area, and that's about it. Another advantage for being in the spa cabins is you receive unlimited access to the thermal suites. And I don't know if I'll do that this week or not, but that's one benefit. There's also some discounted services that are provided. I think it's maybe 10% off or 20% off of one particular, I don't know, service if you go up there. I haven't read all the materials, but there are a few advantages. I booked this cabin because when I originally booked my cabin for this sailing, the ship was almost sold out. The cabin that I booked was in what I would consider a horrible location for a holiday cruise because it was right across from an elevator. And I was kind of worried about that, but I was hoping I could maybe upgrade. And then an upgrade came out, and for about $20, I moved up to the spa level. So that's how I ended up in the spa interior. So I am on deck 11. Lido is deck 10 on this ship. And I'm in the front of the ship. So if we have rough seas, I'll probably feel it. But I think I'll be okay. But I'm very convenient to the buffet, coffee, that sort of thing. And that's about it for my little tour of cabin 11223 on board the Carnival Horizon. Please like and subscribe to my channel so that I can continue putting content out there. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.